Hi everyone, welcome back to Writing Tutorials. Today we're diving into a very important type of formal correspondence, a complaint letter. Sometimes products or services don't meet our expectations, and when that happens, knowing how to write an effective complaint letter can make all the difference in resolving the issue. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through a sample complaint letter, explaining each part in detail so you can write your own with confidence. Let's get started. Step 1. The header. Every formal letter starts with the header, where you include your personal details at the top of the page. In this example, we have William Anderson, 4567 Oakwood Lane, Richmond, Virginia, 23220. Phone 8045 551289. Email wanderson@gmail.com. So, why is this important? Including your name, address, phone number, and email ensures that the company can identify you and follow up easily. Without this, they might not know who's making the complaint or how to get back to you. Always make sure your contact details are accurate and up to date. It's essential for a quick resolution. Step 2. The date. Next, you'll add the date on which you're writing the letter. In this example, it's December 15th, 2024. Adding the date is critical because it serves as a record of when you formally reported the issue. If there's any delay in response, you can refer back to this date for accountability. Use a standard format like this: month, day, year. It's clear and professional. Step 3. Recipient's details. After that, include the details of the company or department you're addressing. Here's how it looks in our sample. Customer Service Department, Superior Electronics, 123 Innovation Drive, Dallas, Texas, 75201. This section should include the department responsible for handling your complaint, the company's name and address. If you have a specific person's name, even better. But for general complaints, the department name works just fine. Step 4. Subject line. Next, we move to the subject line, which tells the recipient exactly what your letter is about. In this example, it's complaint regarding faulty product and poor customer service. Keep it brief but clear. Mention both the issue, like a faulty product, and any related concerns, like poor customer service. This helps the recipient quickly understand the focus of your letter. Step 5. Salutation. Then you'll add the salutation. In our example, Dear Customer Service Team. If you're addressing a specific person, use their name, for instance, Dear Ms. Smith. Otherwise, Dear Team or Dear Customer Service Representative is perfectly fine. Step 6. The introduction. Now, let's talk about the introduction paragraph, where you explain the purpose of your letter. Here's what it says in our sample. I'm writing to express my disappointment regarding a defective product and the unsatisfactory customer service I encountered while seeking a resolution. On November 20th, 2024, I purchased a Superior X 2000 smartphone, order number A456789, from your online store. Unfortunately, the device stopped functioning properly within 2 weeks of use, as the touchscreen became unresponsive and the battery failed to hold a charge. This paragraph does 3 important things. 1. States the reason for writing, expressing disappointment. 2. Mentions the product and purchase date. This identifies what went wrong and when. 3. Describes the issue clearly. Here, it's about the faulty touchscreen and battery. Be specific and factual. Avoid getting emotional or overly critical, as this can distract from your message. Step 7. Describe previous attempts to resolve the issue. In the second paragraph, outline any previous efforts you've made to resolve the issue. The sample says, on December 2nd, 2024, I contacted your customer service team via phone to report the issue and request assistance. However, I was met with long wait times and conflicting information from different representatives. Despite assurances that I would receive a replacement device within 5 business days, I have yet to receive any updates or confirmation of my request. This paragraph is crucial because it shows you've already tried to resolve the issue Highlights specific problems, like long wait times and conflicting information. Mentions any promises made, such as receiving a replacement. Including this information demonstrates patience and persistence, which strengthens your case. Step 8. Make your request. Now it's time to state what you want the company to do. Here's the request in our example. As a loyal customer of Superior Electronics, I expected a higher level of reliability and support. I kindly request that you address this matter promptly by either providing a replacement device or issuing a full refund. Additionally, I urge you to review and improve your customer service processes to prevent similar experiences for other customers. This section is direct and polite. Express what you expect: a replacement or refund. Suggest a solution, like improving customer service. Being specific about your expectations helps the company know how to proceed. Step 9. Attach supporting documents. If applicable, mention any supporting documents you've included. The letter says, I have attached copies of my purchase receipt and prior correspondence for your reference. Always provide evidence, like receipts or emails. These documents back up your claims and make it easier for the company to verify your issue. Step 10. Provide contact information. In the next paragraph, invite the company to contact you. Please contact me at your earliest convenience to confirm the next steps. I can be reached at 804-555-1289 or wanderson@gmail.com. This shows you're open to communication and ready to collaborate on a solution. Make sure to include both your phone number and email. Step 11. Closing. Finally, end the letter with a polite closing statement. In our sample, thank you for your attention to this matter. I look forward to a swift resolution. Follow this with, sincerely, signature, William Anderson. A professional closing leaves a positive impression, even in a complaint letter. And there you have it. A well-structured complaint letter. When writing your own, focus on being clear, polite, and factual. Explain the issue, describe any prior efforts to resolve it, and state exactly what you want. Adding evidence and providing contact information ensures your letter is taken seriously. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Writing Tutorials, and let us know in the comments if there's a specific type of letter you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.